Welcome to your channel Rayofhope, and this is going to be another series, another day for our Android application penetration testing. Basically, in this video, I am going to cover each and everything about how you can set up an Android lab, including how you can set your Frida server, objection, and emulator, SSL pinning, and all, including root detection. So today in this video, I'll be setting up the lab, and in the next video, I'm gonna demonstrate it how you can bypass the SSL pinning, right? So stay tuned with us. First and foremost, in order to perform and in order to set up the Android lab, we need to download the Python. So ignore the words. Here we have Python, and this is the latest version of download Python 3.13.3. And in download section, you can see it is available for Windows, Mac OS, and other platforms. Well, I have already downloaded it. You can see over here. So what I'm gonna go ahead and just open. Now use this admin privilege, add python.exe to path, which means that you are adding to environmental variable, which is really needed. You must add this. Then click on install now. Now click say yes. It will take probably couple of seconds or maybe a minute. Let me have a drink. It is almost done. Maybe a few more couple of seconds. Setup was successful. That means a Python has been installed. As we install Python, the first step is done. Python install. Next, we need to install the Frida. For that, I'm gonna use cmd. As I have installed Python and added it to the environmental variable, that means it would be accessible from anywhere. So over here, what I'm gonna do, I'll say pip, because with Python, pip will be installed by default, and then install Frida. Pip install Frida and hit enter. It may take couple of seconds. Now Frida is also installed. Next, we need to download Frida server. So again, for that I'm gonna use pip install Frida server. This will download the Frida server, or no, actually Frida server, not Frida tools. And then hit enter. Frida tools installed. Okay, so now we have installed Python, we have installed Frida, and we have installed Frida servers too. It may take couple of more seconds. done. So now even Frida tools has been installed. Next, what are we gonna do is to install objection. Install objection. You can do SSL analysis using objection and Frida both actually. And there could be some command like if it is exported and true, which I have covered in our previous video, that which to call out those things, we can also use objection there as well. Just hit enter. And even it started getting installed. Objection installed. So 4 tools has been installed. What next? This is the major thing that people won't tell you, that I'm gonna tell you right here. Let it get installed first. Yeah, it will be done in few seconds. In the meantime, I would need to install platform tools. Platform tools. This is, or you can just say like this, install platform tools. You will have the same result, right? And once you get this, all you need to do, just click enter. Yeah, our objection got downloaded. Here in SDK platform tools, you need to scroll down. Basically, we are going to download ADB actually. And what is ADB? I have covered that in our previous video. Here you can see download SDK platform tools for Windows. Just click on this. Scroll it down. Click on I have read and agreed with the above terms and conditions. Control J. It got downloaded. Now we have this folder over here. So now what we need to do, this is a zip folder. So I need to extract it. Extract all. Okay. So I have this folder, file folder now. So once I unzip this folder, okay, I'll copy this. Copy. And go to C folder. In C folder, we have Windows, right? In that file folder, I'll be pasting this. And you will need to provide the administrative permission to copy this folder. So just say continue. Now that platform tools has been like a placed in Windows folder. Get back to our download folder. What we have done now? Platform tools ADB has been installed. Now 5 tools we just installed. What next? What next we need to do? Now once we do so in this platform variable in Windows C, like Windows, we have here our pointer. 1 second. Platform tools, and this is the path, right? What do we need to do? Now we need to paste this path in environmental variable, okay, and save it. And once I'm going to do so, I would need to restart my system in order to make it effective and we can access it from anywhere. Okay, you didn't get it? Let me show you. I'll copy this and I'll open environmental variable. I'll go to environmental variable. I'll go to path. I'll create a new and V and okay. And then here there's a path. I'll click new. I'll click this. I'll paste it and then hit enter. Hit enter and okay. Now, as I have done that, the application has been placed in environmental variable. Therefore, I can access now ADB from anywhere. And before that, I'm going to do so, I'm gonna go ahead and install a emulator before I'm going to restart my system. So for that, I'll be using MEMU emulator. So I'll search MEMU, and this is what the emulator I was talking about. And then just click enter. And here we go. We have this emulator downloaded. We have some water. It will take another few couple of seconds. It is almost done. Okay. So now I'll go ahead my download folder. Accept that it's accepted. Click on MEMU. Click install. It will ask you, do you want to install 360 total security? No. Do you want to use Opera? No. It will take another few couple of probably a minute or even two. Almost 20-30% is done. I could say that now almost 50% going to be done. Yes, I can say that. Well, I have a good internet connection today. Let it get installed. Almost 90% done. All the packages has been downloaded. Now it will do the setup. It may take a bit longer. Well, no matter what emulator you are going to use, the process I'm going to show you, it will be same for any emulator that you would use actually. Okay. Another maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Good. So it seems the emulator has been downloaded. Now reboot PC. Need system reboot and add Hyper-V group. Okay. So now I'm going to restart my system. So I would close my recording as of now and will restart again. Well guys, welcome back. We started our system. So as we have installed our emulator, let us open that. there we have this app. Yes. Well, I'm using Microsoft Security, right? It's McAfee actually. So there are some features that might they have blocked. Okay, so now as I have installed this emulator, this looks like a laptop, not a phone. We did a phone actually, right? So we do have a features actually over here. In this setting button, go to display. Antivirus look expired. No, okay, I don't want to renew it. Tablet, phone, click on phone, and then just click OK. It will ask you to restart now. Change will apply after MEMU is restarted. So I want to restart it right away. There you go. Now we have a phone, right? I have got a phone actually. So there you go. Now I have a phone, right? Okay. In this system, what we gonna do now? Let me just do one thing. Laptop is configured, emulated got installed. Now what? We need Frida server, right? And to do so, again, we will need to know the version details of this emulator. And for this, we have a command actually, which I call it adb cell. Adb cell get prop. Get prop. Okay, it's calculating a game. Just let's close it. Product dot cpu dot abi, and the version is 86_64. Now I would need to install a Frida server of this version. So what I'm gonna do, I'll be going ahead and opening this Chrome again and download this Frida server GitHub. This is the GitHub I was talking about. Click over here. Well. Here we have multiple Frida servers. So click all. I just don't want to read each of them. What Frida servers do I need? I need Frida servers for Android. Cool. Now I have 28 out of 254. Almost 10%. So I need server. This is code. And this is not, gums, not gumjs, not inject, not portal. Yeah, there we go. We got a server. This is the server. This is 64. This is, and there we go. We have this Frida server 1686xg, and now we have, oh, this is the one I was talking about. Even though this is Frida server, but this is not for Android. This is for different one. So I will need to download this. And there we go. Again, I need to open my now just click right and extract all. Extract here. It may take a couple of seconds. And it has been extracted. Frida server, Android. So this was the one I was talking about. So once I download this, right? Once I download this, well, 1 second. Frida server. Okay. So I have this folder, and what I'm gonna do, I'll edit this. I need to edit this. Why I'm not able to? This is window 11 and I'm not sure. How to edit this? Okay, this is okay. I was opening the zip file, but I not need to open the zip file, right? I need to open the extracted one. So just Control All, remove, and name it Frida, just Frida, and hit do so. It will give a pop-up. And if you change a file name or extension, the file might become unusable. Are you sure you want to change it? Oh yes, I change this. Once I do so, I'll copy all. I can cut this, or you can say I'll just do this, right click. I'll just do this, click right and copy from here. So once I copy, now again I get back to this C folder, program files, and here I may have this MEMU must be downloaded. It's there or not? It's not here. Okay, this is here. This is the folder I have. So now I am inside the MEMU folder. Again, whatever emulator you are going to use, you need to paste Frida server over there. Just do Control V. And now the Frida server has been pasted over here, right? And the setup is completely done till now. So now once I'm done with this, I'll just simply cut it, get back to my home screen. Now, what do I need to do next? Confirm if the Frida server is settled or not. So if I do this ADB devices, oh, there you go. I can see the device list of on this lib. Once I have the device details, all I'll be doing is just to ADB cell, and hit enter. Now I am inside the cell actually, and I can use all the Kali command in this, or Linux command you can say. Now we have these many folders. Where do I need to do? Now I need to push the Frida. Where? In temporary file actually. For that I'm using cd data local temp and hit enter. Now I am inside the temporary folder, and if I click ELS, I don't have anything over here, right? I'm not able to see anything even though I am inside the folder. So what I can do in this way actually, for that I would be using push command, where there I am going to use the push command to push the Frida server from this folder to this file folder, to temporary folder. For that, what I'm gonna use, again get back to this file, get back to Windows volume 2 where we have our Frida, and now here we have our Frida, right? Okay, in this file folder just click CMD, hit enter. Now it will redirect us to this folder. So now if I want to push this file, what I'm gonna do, I'll be pushing this using ADB push Frida data local TMP and hit enter. Now we can see one file has been pushed, right? Just cut it. And again, if I do ls, I have Frida. But I have changed the extension of this file. And now this is in a file format, not in an executable format. But I need to execute this. So what I'm going to do for this? For this, I would be using chmod command. So chmod plus x and then Frida. What it will do? It will make it executable and hit enter. Now the Frida is executable. And then if I do ls and I do full stop and then curly or like a backslash and then Frida, hit enter. Now the Frida server has been hosted, right? In a similar way, if I give you an example now, if I have to download one application, let me download Diva APK. Diva APK. Diva Android APK. Okay, I have this. And go to this download zip. I'm going to show you right away how to perform root detection. I have this Diva. Extract here. Okay. Now I may have a Diva file. Do I have this? App? No. I would not take much time just to debug this, right? So all I need just I need to compile the application. No, I don't want to do so. Alright, just download from here. Extract it. We have the file over here. Yes, I have got a file, right? We have the APK file over here now. Now, just open this. Just drag and drop. And if you're not able to drag and drop, just click on plus. APK, download, main, Diva application, open. It will install the application. The Diva is installed now. Now the Diva is installed, right? How we can perform root detection now and SSL pinning bypass? Well, in this laptop, I do not have the box shot. So for that, I'll be making another videos. But in the meantime, let me show you how I can open this application without even touching this. And you can see the lab setup is completely done actually. So you can see I'm going to open another CMD over here, right? And then I'll be using Frida ES ASUAI. It will list the applications on this emulator. Can you see the Diva application? And this is the file. It's not Diva, it's Jacker asim.d. Now I have a Diva file. So what next I can do? I have a command called Frida io code share, or I can just use like fd sia update, or let me show you from where you can get it. Okay, get back to our this go on Google, Chrome, do a quick search, and you have a lot of SSL pinning and Frida multiple bypass. So at this point of time, I'm going to go for this, and this is the file folder. So I'll copy this from here, and then again go to my CMD, cut it, paste. Again, I'll do that. I did not specify the file, which is this. Now, copy this, paste it, and hit enter. Why it is happening? Okay. Or I can just do this. I have a lot of command. Sometimes it could be that one command may not work. So we can use like this. We have one. While I'm getting this, copy this command, go on over. Yeah. Now I have a Frida script over here. Get back to this. Control it. This now. Frida root detection bypass. There are multiple script. Bypass. Okay. Get back to this. Frida root detection. Link. This was the file. And then get back to this. And then again specify this. Enter. Unable to find suitable. Why it is happening? You can do just copy this command, get back to ChatGPT, paste it, stay logged. There we go. We were able to bypass the applications, but it is still getting. Finally, we are able to bypass the SSL in not SSL pinning root detection, right? So again, this is always about troubleshooting that. In real-time environment, you might face difficulties. Like it could be that Flutter-based application could be there. You might not be able to bypass it. You might not be able to do so, right? Well, I'm showing on this application. I could have demonstrated on other two, which I'll be doing in next video, which I'm going to make. You will have it, right? So If you like this video, again, just go ahead and do the same. You would be able to perform everything, right? So I hope you love this video. If you like it, please do subscribe and share with your colleagues. Thank you.